Hello students, let's start our next sound. So open your English reader book at page number 6. This is a long vowel sound I. So let's start. F, I, L, file. T, I, tie. L, I, N, line. K, I, T, kite. N, I, N. B, I, T, bite. P, I, P, pipe. F, I, fire. When R comes after I, its sound is A. So repeat again. F, I, fire. N, I, N, nine. F, I, T, fight. T, I, L, tile. The special sound of I, as in IR says A. G, A, L, girl. S, K, A, T, skirt. B, A, D, bird. D, A, T, dirt. S, I, T, sight. S, I, T, sight. S, L, I, S, slice. V, I, S, vice. H, I, higher. F, I, fire. T, I, tire. D, I, dire. V, I, N, wine. M, I, N, mine. F, I, N, fine. F, I, V, five. D, I, S, dice. L, I, S, lice. M, I, S, mice. V, I, Z, wise. V, I, P, wipe. R, I, P, ripe. L, I, K, like. B, I, K, bite. So you all revise it at your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.